Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to clear your Instagram suggested accounts. So, let's get started. To clear Instagram suggested accounts, open the Instagram app. Then, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you're in your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From the drop-down menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. In Settings and Privacy, tap on Notifications. Then, tap on Following and Followers. In Following and Followers, go to Account Suggestions. Finally, tap on Off to clear suggested accounts. That's it. You've now successfully cleared your Instagram suggested accounts. You can always turn this back on if you want to see more suggestions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more useful tips and tricks.